Poster presented here shows an empty Microsoft Excel-based field data log which has been created using a new feature added to the North Carolina Peanut Risk tool developed at North Carolina State University. In 2019, an Excel version of the North Carolina Peanut Risk tool was developed for growers to evaluate their peanut production practices and potential risk to yield from diseases, insects, and other pests. Additionally, based on feedback from growers, only about 20 to 25% use a computer-based method for recording and maintaining field-level production information. To provide growers with an electronic option to maintain management records, the capability to create production logs was added to the Peanut Risk tool. Field data logs can be simply created by clicking a button on the Risk worksheet in the Risk tool and entering a name for the field data log. The new data log is created in a worksheet in an Excel workbook named Peanut Logs. The Peanut Logs workbook is automatically created when the first data log is created. The Peanut Logs workbook is located in the same directory as the Peanut Risk tool workbook. The Production Practices Survey published in the annual Peanut Information Extension publication was used as the base template for the field data log. A field data log contains the selected production practices from the Risk tool at the time the log is created. In the columns to the right of the production practices are sections for entering field information through the growing season. Cells available for input have a yellow background. Sections are available for recording field size and mapped soils, tillage operations, fertilizer, pest management operations, peanut development dates and crop health notes, pod blasting and harvest information, grading results, and daily rainfall and irrigation amounts. Growers can enter as much or as little information as they want to record. Overall, the ability to create field data logs to the Peanut Risk tool provides growers a simple electronic method to record, track, and compare field-level production data across fields and years. Thank you for your interest in the North Carolina Peanut Risk tool.